You're welcome, Gabi.
So we're celebrating here. Thank you so much for having me.
Yes, we are celebrating your coming here.
Thank you.
And this is in your honor.
Oh wow.
First of
thank
all, this is a Serbian house. This is my daughter, Maja. This is my best daughter.
Exactly.
Best one.
Yes,
Best one.
best daughter.
And we invited some friends to this Serbian dinner.
Oh my
if
God,
you want
what
to
a table.
know, yes,
Let
what
me
a
show you the
table. How many things are on the tables? 10.
4,
10,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11
counting.
12. First of all, what we eat during the winter is ajvar. Ajvar. This is from paprika, red paprika. And this red paprika is
So
shredded.
beautiful.
Yes, and
And it has a special sauce.
No, we make it in September, and there are a lot of paprika, fresh paprika. Grill it,
Yeah.
and after that we shred it, and then in oil we cook it. Put it in the jars, and we eat the whole winter. We
This
eat
is
that
so good.
usually with prebranac.
Prebranac.
This is a very typical dish, our dish, but this is a bean from Tetovo. Tetovo is a town in Macedonia. We call it because this beans must be a big, they are big,
white,
yes.
yeah.
We cook it for a long time. After that, we with the onion, we mix with the onion and the red paprika. Then we put in oven so that it's baked. In September, prepare even this
As well.
kind of paprika.
Yeah.
This paprika is
I love it.
sour.
It's
sour.
It's sour paprika. It's
Sour
yes.
paprika, and we eat this sour paprika, especially with meat, pork meat.
Big on
Yes,
the stage.
yes.
What about that then?
This is chicken breast in a special
Marinade.
marinade for 12 hours, and after that they are
Breadcrumbs of flour.
yes in
And fried in the
yes.
pan.
And my daughter is always very angry when I'm doing that because the whole house smells so nice.
What do we have?
This is the chicken salad. This is
look at that.
Chicken, cooked chicken, and with vegan mayo.
Mayo,
Vegan
yeah.
mayo.
Egg free.
Egg free. Yes.
Yes, but it's a
Shredded.
Shredded. Yeah,
Yes.
shredded.
Yes.
This here is sarma. Sarma. We eat the whole winter. Eat sarma or we eat podvarak. Podvarak you will eat next time. This is from sauerkraut.
Sauerkraut.
Sauerkraut,
Well,
but
cabbage. Sour cabbage.
And you make it yourself.
Yes.
Wow.
This is the leaves. First of all, kraut is in the special.
The cabbage.
Put
Yeah.
it in October in these big
Containers, yeah.
Yes.
containers.
Yes.
Then we leave it the whole
The whole cabbage head.
yes, cabbage head. Then we cut it where is
And
the
the
heart
top, yes.
and put the salt and leave for at least 10 days. Then the cabbage leave the water, and after that we put the water so that it stay for another month, you know.
Yeah.
Becomes very sour.
Yes,
Yeah.
very sour.
but it's very
yes.
good.
And it's very good for your tummy as well.
As
Yeah,
well, yes.
yes, that is very, very good. This is, we call sarma because these are the leaves of the cabbage, and it's filled with the beef, minced beef, rice, and onion, and I put it in the oven and you
Bake
see
it,
bake
yes.
it, and you see how it is. We eat this with this bread. This is a
It's cornbread.
We call it proja.
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 We have a cornbread in Portugal. We call it broa.
Proja.
It's so weird.
It's so weird. Yeah,
So
it's very
similar.
very similar.
For
Yeah.
instance, Christopher Columbus, when he went for his journey, he took all this cabbage because the cabbage is full of the vitamin C.
Yes.
And then
For scorbutus.
yes, bravo, Portuguese girl.
Yeah, I know.
After
I'm
that,
so smart.
you are very smart. This is gibanica.
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 Which one?
This one is
This-
gibanica.
Gibanica.
These are leaves, and then it's
Made of flour.
flour, yes.
Flour leaves, very thin
Yes,
leaves,
yes,
like a sheet
yes.
of paper, right?
Yes, and then filled with cheese.
Cheese, right? And the
Okay.
cheese is actually it's cheese and kaimak combination.
Yes.
And with a little bit of milk,
Yes.
and then it's a little bit of like the mixture becomes a bit liquidy, so you can
Yeah.
actually soak the flour leaves
Yeah.
in that, and basically it turns out to be like this. So you see how the layers, you can see
Yeah.
the layers on the side as well. It's really, it tastes very, very good.
Then
This is like
here-
one of the first things I tasted.
Yes, that I
you
made.
bring,
Yes.
Yeah, that you from your grandmother.
That's
Yeah.
right. Oh
And
my
it's
god.
with spinach.
That's right.
Yeah,
with the
absolutely
spinach one.
amazing.
Yes. You can put spinach inside. Or
Yeah.
Or meat
They-
or
or meat,
cheese.
yes.
Yeah.
I love this
Mushroom.
Russian
This
salad.
is Russian salad, usually without meat. But somebody puts all ham inside, carrots, peas,
Potato.
Potato.
Parsley root.
Yes. Parsley root,
Parsley
yeah.
root. It's all inside, and
Yeah.
some people like to add an egg and ham.
Yes,
You know,
yeah.
but we don't do that in this salad.
Or cooked chicken breast. It's very famous. We eat it during the winter. These are small paprika, a small one filled with cheese, and it's very tasty, and it's very dangerous if it is spicy. My daughter Maya, she made such beautiful dessert.
Dessert, yes.
Wow.
Yes, sweet. Somebody will confuse that with pavlova torta. It's not a pavlova torta, this is Maya's torta.
Maya's torta. It's so
Yes,
pretty.
Yes.
You make
So
it
the
so
base,
well.
egg white, beaten with sugar, and then there is a layer of whipped cream, and then the fruits on top. It's refreshing and beautiful.
Yes.
Amazing.
This is really important, by the way. I'm not joking.
So,
I can't believe we didn't talk about this first.
She can
The
put it
aperitif, the aperitif.
First of all,
Where
we
am I?
are drinking rakia.
rakia.
This rakia is named Vasilova rakia. Vasil is Sophia's grandfather.
Wow.
And he's
He
player.
makes this.
No,
he
no.
plays the
He was a professor.
instrument at the music school.
no
Yes, an academy.
Yes.
And he basically plays the instrument, but this is why this rakia has this brand, and he
Yeah.
makes it. This is his rakia.
This we drink first before eating.
When everybody
And,
arrives,
yes.
it opens up the appetite. It's like an aperitif.
This rakia is made of plum. Now
And
my
this
daughter.
here is called medovača, and this is actually my favorite because it's sweet, and it's also a combination of the plum rakia, so pure rakia, but then
Wow.
it has honey inside, and there are actually 2 types of this medovača. So I have one
This
more
is
here.
medovača
and this is medenica.
Medenica.
It's also with honey, but
Wow.
it's really nice, and I was waiting to open it up for you guys today. So
That
you're
is
gonna
so
love
sweet.
it.
That's what we are drinking. But the most important thing that we eat with the cheese,
Together with rakia
together
as
with
well,
rakia, is
the pork cracklings. Yes.
yes. These pork cracklings,
They're amazing.
They're so tasty.
And crispy.
Yeah, I'm not going to put that, but it's okay.
Mar.
I'll give it a go.
Oh my God, you're so brave.
I wanna try a dash, just a dash.
Are you sure, baby?
I'm good, it's okay.
Okay, wait a minute.
Will I be?
Do I drink it slowly or do I?
No, you just like. All right, Mama, did you want one?
No.
Okay, guys.
Check it.
All right.
Look at.
You go back to belgrade.
Yes.
Hi guys, I'm one of the followers.
Gabriela
Libanio. And I wanted to say join us because there's a live tonight and it's gonna be a very special live. That like and subscribe, right? Subscribe.
We're gonna be opening some bottles. Yes, everyone just keep passing around. This proja goes with the sarma, and yes, beautiful.
And it all was served with love, and it was so delicious. Bringing people together, it's the best thing ever. So